Hey, Miss Myrtle. So you say
So you're ready for me now, right?
you jump into the pool? Are you?
I've known Miss Myrtle since I was a little boy, and I've had fun traveling with her across Jamaica from place to place with my family too. So sit back, relax, and just enjoy this conversation. I think families must travel together, enjoy Jamaica, and just talk about the old days and bring back some little vibes. Alright? Listen to this short conversation.
Hey, Miss Myrtle. So you say
So you're ready for me now, right?
you jump into the pool? Are you? Miss Myrtle. So you walk past and close your eye when you pass the pool.
Because them say you're not to take any picture there, you know. When you go there and see the sign come up, you don't take any picture at all. So you just go there and you look.
So you don't have to look.
So when you take out your eye, put it down till you're ready. Right.
You hear this? Miss Myrtle sit down on the left hand side and she look around the corner and they tell me so I can overtake this truck. You understand me? Not on my side, you know. She's on the left hand side and they tell me she look around the corner and me alright.
I didn't see anything coming.
No, this is a bad man, it create a problem. My man wasn't there but I take him. You hear? Miss Myrtle around the next side and they tell me look around the corner and then rev at the back of me and say they tell me said clear. No, I am the driver. And I can see this is Richmond development on your right. A lot of people are there now. Richmond. Can't go around this over there. That's why I say you have to be careful, you can't go around, that's a filter lane. I say another one doing the same thing. Look at it, look at these people. Yeah, that's Jamaican drivers at their best. Pudman in this area, see man YouTube, Pudman.
I think so.
Well, let us have a taste and see if I'm overrated, if it's too far and then we'll go work it out.
One time. CT already ready.
Then I reach already?
Yes, I may tell you.
But me don't know.
Just pull over, that's how you do it.
You can't pull over just so. You can't ride this a bank in here.
Yeah, but they have stuff on the inside.
So then you want to stop?
You don't want to stop then?
Eh?
You don't see no holy go on then. You can get fritters.
You can get fritters, you know?
Saltfish fritters, banana fritters.
But in the park right here, so I don't feel comfortable.
Me say I saw that this is the park. That this is the park, Rowan. You even... This is the park, I tell him you're fine.
You're fine, that's so?
Yeah.
But he on the side road.
And him come up there. Me tell him if he just pull over to the side, although a yellow line, this is where you park.
So,
but we can't come, everybody can come out.
No, everybody
come out.
Here you we go. Why?
And the person said,
Wait. Don't touch. Pull it up now. Hold on. Let him out run. Don't touch the door, please.
Okay.
Let him out run.
7.5, you get more saltfish. Yeah. Mine had a lot of board, but Vanessa big up this man, and Vanessa is a chef. So.
Well, mine we have to give him 8.5.
8.5.
Only for saltfish.
Yeah, man, we get absolutely.
Alright.
I get saltfish, but I don't get no only for seasoning, no only for flavor. I'm gonna get it, me not taste some scotch on it. You taste that?
No,
Me not taste no scotch on it. I get one little piece of scallion. You know, you taste a little onion and you little thyme and, you know?
Yeah, pear board me taste, man. But when me do my
saltfish
stuff
flavor. It has the saltfish flavor.
Yeah, but when we do my stuff, I kind of move off.
It tastes good, man. It's not too
I
sour.
kind of take out the boats, you know?
Yeah.
It's right.
Yeah, we're passing the Great Duns River now. We're not stopping.
And ages me not come here, say no.
Been done that already, according to the New Yorkers.
Ages me not come here, so.
Yeah, Ochi.
We need to come and dance with you one day, man.
Please don't make your mother climb the falls.
What I say, one.
They climb the
Me
falls.
don't know. What you mean you don't know? Me never ask, me just order what me dey order and he tell me in price.
Alright.
They're not hearing? Yes.
Truck in the drive, so they're driving in. I see them, the people have to slow down, kind of some people make us
Street
trigger.
smart. Diana was not street smart. But she was having her struggles.
Yeah, man.
Of course.
The best thing for me, can't
Yes.
pudding.
Dutch, no, you make don't feel a Dutch pot.
Yeah, we just
Yeah, it's all purpose. It's
Dutch
all
pot.
purpose.
just pass a
Me
Dutch
not
pot,
love no
man.
Dutch pot, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Look at me.
Dutch pot.
Watch peer.
Hey,
You have it all wrong and cut you the watch. Cut the one, mommy? The cut you. What name, so?
how we do him so?
No cut you. A lie. Where they come? A lie. So me never know that. Me
You
think I
never
went
know.
Dutchy too.
No, sir. How are this? Pass the cut chip on the left hand side here. So why they would have said it a go bun?
Exactly, sir.
It a go bun.
Exactly, sir.
Give me medium. Jump and dance.
Oh.
You just
Maybe a big chillum pipe.
a big chillum pipe them called.
Yeah, but them pass over,
Yes,
pass
man.
round. So maybe a that.
Yes. And that is different from the Dutch pot because it passed. We passed some Dutch pot a while ago that we wanted to really stop. But Lady Vanessa is in the front and tell me to late, a bit late, you know. But Dutch pot is always a traditional place. Must have a traditional thing in their home.
Everybody, everyone. Watching nice farmer, you see what she has?
Yes, man.
Looking good with her
Farmer
hair
girl,
and all.
man. Farming. Yes. There was an incident.
Me say when me see you go, me frightened, me say me shut off. When me reach down the road, me say watch out, me left
You don't left your mother. So, how the incident happened? Tell me about it.
But she saw the guys. And she said to us, say, go into the supermarket. She just said, go into the supermarket. And when we go in there, she said, three guys following us. But she think I did because me did have one handbag, but them never have nothing. So we go in the supermarket, good little while and just a walk around, you know. So she give the boy some lick with the phone in her hand. Kind of lean her up and one shot. And the boy, and me say, the boy with it, you know. And the boy say like, oh, you're bad man, you're bad. And he just when he do so,
Lift up in clothes.
just when he lift up his shirt and do something, say big good. And then the boy grab a chain. And when he get annoyed, say she dey, you know, she dey resist. And when the boy do so and pull the gun, that time him and mommy, that time him back up in the wall.
On Barnett Street.
What me say, right at Barnett Street.
Early hours in the day.
Early like about 3 o'clock in the
3 o'clock
evening.
when everybody busy.
It busy, me say.
Alright.
Run me, you know, we call for a supermarket,
Yes,
so we
man.
used to live. So right at one little man will sell pork.
Yeah.
Right as you come down Colonel, there at the stoplight, at the pedestrian, it happens so fast.
So take our chain.
Yeah, pull out the
So
chain.
the point about you running, leaving your mother, because we're recording this thing right now. Tell me how that, because you were so frightened,
I
right?
said me frightened when me see the gun, me say me shut off.
Because Miss Myrtle, you're a brave woman.
Me say me reach over call for a supermarket. Then me say watch your mommy. Me have to turn back and run go back to the scene.
So what happened to them? What happened to the lady?
She alright.
Wherever you are in Jamaica, you take the warning. Be careful. Be careful because there are people out there just waiting to pounce on you and to take what is not even theirs.
Me
Warning.
say just the phone, you know.
So I don't even go into St.
And
James.
chain.
St. James, Barnett Street or St.
And St.
James.
James
No, I don't do those streets.
Thanks for watching. And thanks for supporting this channel. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Share the content. I want to bring you more information on culture, history, and of course, all connected to Jamaica and the Caribbean. Until next time.